In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your PayPal balance on your Android device. Whether you're managing your finances or simply curious about your latest transactions, knowing how to quickly access your PayPal balance on your Android phone is a great skill to have. Let's walk through how simple it is. First, make sure your Android device is powered on and connected to the internet. This step is important because without an internet connection, you won't be able to access your PayPal account. Once your device is ready, locate the PayPal app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. It's represented by a white P on a blue background, so it should be fairly easy to spot. Tap on it to open the app. You'll be prompted to log into your account, enter your email address and password associated with your PayPal account, and tap Log In. If you've set up any security measures such as fingerprint recognition or a PIN, you might use those instead, which can make accessing your account even quicker and safer. Once you're in, the first screen you'll see is the main dashboard. This is designed to give you a quick overview of your PayPal account. Right at the top of the screen, you'll see your current PayPal balance displayed prominently. It's designed this way to provide you with immediate and convenient access to your funds. This balance shows you the exact amount of money available for spending or withdrawal. It's updated in real time, so no matter when you check it, you'll always see the most current balance. Now, if you're curious about the transactions that contributed to this balance, you'll want to head to the Activity section. To find this, look towards the bottom of your screen. You should see a couple of different icons. Tap on the one labeled Activity, which is typically represented by a clock or a similar symbol indicating some kind of transactional history. In the Activity section, you'll see a detailed list of all your recent transactions. This includes incoming funds, payments you've made, and any fees incurred. Each entry will include the date, amount, and a brief description of the transaction, making it easy for you to track how your balance changes over time. This is extremely handy if you ever need to double-check that a payment was received or to understand any fluctuations in your balance. And there you have it. It's really that easy to check your PayPal balance and transaction history on your Android device. With just a few taps, you can stay up to date with your finances, ensuring you're always informed about your digital wallet. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.